We are so close to the 2,000 subscribers. Guys, subscribe so we can do the giveaway. It's either a lip or the rear diffuser. Don't jump. If you jump, I'll punch you in the face. Oh, ooh, that scared the shit out of me. What's up? What's going on, guys? Welcome back. It's a pretty clean Corolla right there. Right now we're gonna go to my spot, usually where I make a lot of my videos. I don't know, I just like it. It's very calm. But we're gonna go right now. I'm gonna give you guys a tour of the car and what we've done so far. I think last time I showed it, the car barely had anything. I don't even know if it had coilovers on it, to be honest. Oh, hell nah. Bro, I hate snakes, and there's a snake. Oh. Bro, I hate snakes, and there's a freaking snake right there. Ugh. Don't jump. If you jump, I'll punch you in the face. Oh, ooh, that scared the shit out of me. Oh, ew. Nah, hell. Oh, hell no. I don't think I'm gonna be. Oh, no. Nope. I ain't doing that. We out. All right, we found this beautiful spot out here in like the country. It's just me, the car. We have some shade, thank God. Except for, you hear that? Those little bugs. They're so annoying no matter where I go, next to my house, wherever they're. I apologize, guys. I'm so sorry. If you gotta hear that, hopefully you don't. I'm gonna try to talk loud and like overpower whatever they gotta say, or shut up. I don't even want to yell because I don't want them to go and do even higher. Anyways, so this is my 2009 Nissan Maxima, and these are the mods that I have on it right now. So ever since the last one, I've had so many things done, and we've had so many new subscribers on the channel, which I would like to thank every single one of you that has subscribed. Without you, honestly, you know, I probably wouldn't be doing YouTube, but you guys inspired me to keep going and keep doing things to my car and show you guys. And I know you guys like it, and that's what we're gonna keep doing. We got big things coming for this car and just in general, so stay tuned for everything. But right now we're gonna start with this right here. What is that? That is a 350Z cold air intake. So people say, I have questions almost every day, does water get in it? And I don't know, you can't see it, but it goes exactly into the intake. Water, if it does get in it, honestly it just falls through here. It doesn't really go inside of the intake. So this is from a 350Z. I do have a link to this in the description. Most of the things that I have here, you see what I'm saying? Thank you. Anyways, like I was saying, most of the things that we are bro, you gotta be shitting me. Oh shit, left bug. Anyways, all right, they have quieted down quite enough. Like I was saying, I do have a link in the description for most of the items that I have on my car, like the headlights, the little thingy, this right here, the air duct, the lip. I think I have the rods. I know I have the side splitter. So I have a link to like most of the wrap and everything. I have a link to most of it in the description. So go ahead, check that out. Next thing that we have are the lights before they turn off again. Anyways, so these are the Akani lights, as you guys can see. They're just beautiful. So these I got off Amazon as well. I did put some LED bulbs in here so they light up blue. So I did put some LED bulbs in there. They do light up blue, or white actually. They're bright white. Damn, so many love bugs. Damn, look at all these love bugs. Alright, I know you guys want to be on YouTube, but damn, you don't gotta be all up on me like that. What the, get out of here. Anyways, I do have a link in the description for them as well. I do have the Aki LED bulbs here. I do have some HIDs on the bottom of the car. You gotta be shitting me. So yeah, these are the Akani headlights for the Maxima. They do come, I think there's two options. There's the blackout one, and then there's a chrome inside one. So I got the blackout one because way better in the chrome, in my opinion. Next up in the front will be my front lip. So there's my front lip there's a still-in front, well, still-in style front lip. It is actually from Magic Drift. How you doing? Alright, so literally like several cars just passed by. They were all checking out the car and shit. That's pretty dope. I was gonna paint it white, but then I wanted it black, and I was gonna paint it black, but then it cracked. So I know you guys see it already. There's a splitter. This splitter is made custom by SBP. That is Splitter by Peping. He is local here in Orlando, Florida. If you guys want one of these, you guys can hit him up. I don't have a link to it in the description, but I'm gonna see if I find one. But if not, just hit him up on Instagram at Splitters by Peping, and he can make you a custom one, or you can just tell him you want the one that the white Nissan Maxima with the blue wheels has, and he can make it for you. They are very durable. Honestly, I think you can stand on it and nothing will happen. I won't do it because my bumper is not the safest right now. He can do it like this. He can do it in gloss black, whatever you want. So that's what it looks like on the car. We also have our rods. It faded kind of, but it was supposed to be like a blue that matched my wheels. So, but it's holding on pretty good. It's pretty sturdy. Moving on to the side, I got my ESR wheels. These are my ESR wheels in Apex Blue. Why did I choose blue? I chose blue because I wanted to stand out from the crowd. Everyone's running white. I mean, everyone's running black or chrome or whatever it is. So I wanted to stand out. So white car, blue wheels, perfect. The fronts are 19 by 9.5. My rears are 19 by 10.5. And then behind the wheel, we actually have the Akebono big brakes, which you guys already see I gotta repaint. Comment down below, should I keep this color, so the teal color, or should I do another color, maybe like a lime green, you know, something that's very, very, very bright. These are actually made or remanufactured by Power Stop. So honestly, it's a Akebono caliper remanufactured by Power Stop. So honestly, Power Stop is actually a good company as well. And behind that, I have the R1 Concept bigger rotors. So once you upgrade to the big brakes, you have to have bigger rotors. I believe it's like 14 inches, a couple inches more than your stock brakes. Just be careful because some of the wheels don't clear. Behind this wheel, I actually had to run a 8mm spacer because it was like so close to the caliper. the R1 Concept rotors, power stop slash Akibono big brakes with, I don't know if you can see it, Goodrich stainless steel brake line as well. Coming along to the side, there's a universal side skirt. Honestly, I think I got this from eBay or Amazon, remember. I might have a link, I might not have a link, I don't remember, but I think I do. But if not, just comment down below and I can tell you where I got it from. My back wheels, same rotors, no spacer. I'm running no spacers on the rear just because these are so wide. Like you guys can see. You guys can see, they don't poke, they sit flush. I do have my roof wrapped in black. Well, we are actually going to change it to something else. But I have that wrapped with a vivid, what was it? Vivid gloss black vinyl. I do have a link to it in the description as well. This is also made by Splitters by Pepin. The little side canard thing. Is it canard? No. Little side splitter. I think that's what you call it. I love it. Like, you see how it has this and this? So he kind of like matched it to do the same. And it just flows so much better with the side of the car. And it doesn't even stick out too much, so it like complements the wheel, you know. Like you can see, let's see, from far away, it looks great. We have actually a custom exhaust. I deleted my muffler. I put a vibrant resonator in the middle so I can have that deeper sound. It's louder, deeper sound. It growls, less raspiness. It's more so I don't have that raspy, freaking no muffler, no resonator type of thing. I don't like that, so I had to put a resonator on it, and it sounds perfect. Which I like to thank like every single person. There's so many people that have this exhaust setup, and I would like to thank all you guys. It's awesome. It's just, I see how many people actually buy the resonator and everything, so it is pretty cool to see like literally hundreds of you guys buying the resonators and putting on setups, Maximas, non-Maximas, 6th gen, 5th gen, 7th gen, 8th gen, Hondas. It's just incredible, you know, how many people these videos touch or get to, and you know, and they actually like the product, they like the stuff, and they like to buy it. So that is my exhaust, and I got these tips right here, these blue tips. I have a link to, not this one, these are discontinued, but I have a link to the exact, to one that is very, very, very similar in diameter, in color, and everything. I have a link to that one in the description as well. So my exhaust setup, like I said, Muffler Elite, vibrant resonator, and another thing that I don't think you guys can see because the car is low, it is a Gemini white pipe. So big shout out to J_Rod6. He hooked me up with the white pipe. If it wasn't for him, I wouldn't even have it right now. I probably wouldn't get my hands on it for a while. But he messaged me, he said he could help me out, and he did. So guys, give him a follow. You know, he actually made the exhaust sound so much better. Shout out to Adam as well for sending out quickly. And honestly, I appreciate all you guys' support. Coming back, we have the still in rear diffuser. Kinda. So yeah, I was looking over there. It seemed like something was moving. I don't know if it was an animal or what, like around here. It's kind of sketchy being here by myself sometimes, because you never know what the heck is in these woods. I ain't no chicken, but if I gotta run, I'm running. Shit. We have the still-in diffuser. This is actually made as well from Magic Drift, just like the front lip. So that's what I have for this. In the back, that's my diffuser. We just put this on recently, so check out that video, guys. Before I forget, go follow Real G Maxine and subscribe to Horsepower Labs, guys. We have so many things coming. I just cannot say it enough. But that's what we got. Oh, we're gonna go to the little things as well. These are my lug nuts. These I got off of like eBay, I think. We are done. Oh no, we're not done. Hold up. Under here, what do we have? So we actually have a HQ Culture cold air intake. That's what we're running with for now. It's pretty good. The sound that it makes is amazing. Just hear it. Honestly, that's what we have here in the engine bay. And as you guys can see, which I forgot to mention, my coilovers. I am actually running reaction coilovers. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me see. You guys can see that orange? Yeah, those are my reaction coilovers. Inside I have my radar detector. That is a Uniden R1 radar detector. This thing is awesome. It doesn't beep too much, and when there's a cop, it will freaking alert you from like 2 or 3 miles away. But yeah, that's it guys. That's all for this video. I wanted to just give you like a walk around of the car. But thank you guys for subscribing, for everything. Welcome to the new subscribers. That's it for this video. I want to thank all of you for tuning in. And also stay tuned for the next video and the video after that. We're going to be doing a couple different things to the car. I would like to thank all of you for subscribing, for sharing, for doing everything, for supporting the channel. I really do appreciate it. Without you guys, honestly, I wouldn't even keep going with this whole YouTube and Maxima stuff. But thanks to you guys, we are still here. We're still making videos, and we're not going to stop making videos. Comment down below, what is your favorite mod? What should we do next? We are so close to the 2,000 subscribers. Guys, subscribe so we can do the giveaway. It's either a lip or the rear diffuser. Thank you guys for everything. Just remember, like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you later. Peace. Yo, every time I get in this car, I got to do it. Ready? We gotta go. We definitely gotta go.